Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm looking at McDonald's Corporation stock. If I can get this to go down, that would be great. Okay, never mind. I guess it doesn't want to. Wow. All right, McDonald's Corporation. It's at 96.66. I'm not gonna lie, I ignored this stock for a long time. You're looking at a stock. I think people are worried about the Chinese impact of this. China's coming back a little bit. Maybe McDonald's not gonna be able to make it. It's kind of stupid. Whatever. It's gonna come back down, I think. Um, it's my opinion. I think it's gonna come back down. Probably see it in like the 80s range, something like that. PE ratio, well, it's not so bad. It's a little bit higher than what I normally go for. The market cap, 98.45 billion. It's always nice. Earnings per share, 5.27. Dividend yield's not bad, 2.90. Yeah, looks like a quarterly little action there, quarterly. Let's look at the last month. It was over 100, 100, a little bit. Alright. McDonald's stock. I'd wait for it to pull back a little bit right there. Earlier today, I got word that Yum stock might be a better option. I own Yum. I don't own any McDonald's, but their dividend yield's not as good, as you can see. Stock price is cheaper. P ratio is far too high. I don't know actually. I heard people say that Yum was better, but after looking at the PE ratio, I don't know what I like about that. It's got to pull back at some point, I would think. But might hold off on this one too. I bought it. Where did I buy it? I must have bought it. Yum. It was in the 50s, somewhere around November. Haven't sold it yet. Maybe I should have. 52 week. That's right up there near the 52 week high. Go back to McDonald's. I like the lower PE ratio, of course, but I would say get into McDonald's. My personal opinion, if I was to buy this stock, since I keep getting messages saying that I'm telling people what to do, which I am not. I'm gonna buy in like the 70s, 80s. When I was thinking about buying this, talking about right around here, like about a year ago. That's where I was looking at it. But I have never bought any McDonald's stock. To my knowledge, I don't think I have. Yeah, so I'm not really giving you a whole lot on this. I'm just showing you McDonald's stock, MCD. Wait on the pullback on that one. If you last 3 months, look at down here. Now, so it's consistently up there for a while now. It's a good stock. Let's look at some other stocks. I'm not just gonna make this video about some. Let's look at Walmart. Where's Walmart at today? 60, 68. Usually see Walmart like 55, something like that. Look at that. Get into Walmart near the 48, then you're good to go. P ratio, I like that. Dividend yield, nice. I don't like this. Okay. Walmart's an option. It's a very good option, I would say. The 52 week, the red around it, as you can see. The P ratio is still very good because obviously Walmart's gonna make money. But $207.81 billion market cap. Not a bad play. That's where Apple's at today. Not quite what we're looking for. My bad. Up at 1.25% today, 683. Never bought any Apple. A little bit too pricey for me. I'm not exactly rich. I remember seeing it in the 300s thinking, oh, maybe I'll buy some. And never did. And now look at it. Should have known though. If Google can hit that, Apple can hit that. Look at their market cap, 514.67 billion. Institutionally owned, 71%. That's pretty amazing. Earnings per share, 35.11. P ratio, still a buy. You still could buy that and still possibly go long on. Apple's just delicious. I love Apple. It's a good company. Who knows where their stock price could go? Let's take a look at Google. Google. Kind of have to say Apple's a better buy here. P ratio is higher for Google. Of course, Google owns just about anything that's awesome, from YouTube to Android to everything that they own. But yeah, Google, Apple, other good stock. And here's one that's cheaper that I like. Over 32 today. I called that. So it was a $32 stock. P ratio is 11. Still good. Still good to buy. I love buying it. I love the fact that I bought it. Well, now my cost with my dividends counting in is like 25. But at one point it was like 23, 24. Of course, I always reinvest. But see what other options. IBM. Just take a look at the PA ratios. To me, that's my favorite calculator for do I want to buy it, because I go long basically on everything. Microsoft, this is not really where I'm going to be buying it. Let me show you something. A year ago, as it was sitting right in here, as it sat there forever, people just kept on looking at it like it's dead money, it's dead money, it's not going anywhere, they're not doing anything, they don't do anything. Wrong. They did. They climbed. You can't just look at this history of it and say, oh, it's been pretty stagnant over the past 3 or 4 years. You have to believe that at some point things are going to change. And for Microsoft, that happened. Look at this. January, climb. I'm happy to say I own Microsoft. I don't really own a lot of shares of any stock, to be honest with you, but I do own some Microsoft. I just got my dividends maybe a week ago. Less, probably less. But I'm loving Microsoft. And I think that's going to be the end of the stocks that I show you for today. But, I might not be teaching anything you didn't know, but, we can look at stocks together anytime.